Hello everybody, let's cover in this video how to create subsheet for doing vendor mapping against each SKU. So I have opened this subsheet. In this subsheet only two fields are mandatory and we fill only two fields. First is your SKU, which you are all aware stands for the part number in our case, and easy ecom vendor token. So first SKU filling is easy. You just do I'm again applying the equal to sign here. You do equal to, then go to the main sheet, that is pit stop master sheet, and equal to in the part number field. So you get the SKU here. Now easy ecom vendor token. This has not been supplied to you by the supply team or the operation team, whoever has given you pit stop master sheet. They will not be giving easy ecom vendor token because this is something which is generated by the easy ecom system, auto generated. So where will you find it? First you have to see which vendor token I want. So go to the pit stop master sheet, and here in supplier column you have the sheet you want part from these vendors. So first is your Grand Auto Spares and Om Shri Enterprises. So there are only two vendors we want to get parts from. One is Grand Auto Spares and second is Om Shri Enterprises. So first you go to Easy Ecom platform. On Easy Ecom platform you have in the side navigation menu, go to Pit Stop Masters, Masters, and then go to Vendor Master. So before doing vendor mapping, we are just making sure that these vendors are added in Easy Ecom system. In case they are not added, then a request has to be sent to Niveda, Pushpanjali or the tech help team, and they would be adding the vendor first in the system. So say Om Shri, I just go to the search bar and start typing, and I see yes, Om Shri is already added. So the vendor token is the token number which is unique for each vendor, which is this EN684936656. So just copy this and then we go to the sheet vendor mapping and just paste it here. So when we go to pit stop master sheet, what we know that we will come to the supplier sheet will come to, and we know that Grand Auto Spares has supplied part till row 22. So vendor mapping name, sorry, this is for Grand, sorry, I have put for Om Shri. I should be putting the token for Grand Auto Spares, not auto agencies but Grand Auto Spares. Now you copy this vendor token, go to the subsheet and put this here. Till row 22 we have this vendor. So we will just drag this till 22, and we see that the number has not been copied because the number has to be unique. The number has been copied in series. Yeah, the number in each row has changed right now. So please do so you have to do Control D. Once you do Control D, the same number you see gets copied. So this mistake please don't make. You have to copy the same vendor for these SKUs. The SKU we have already got the SKU data by applying the formula. You just cut, copy, paste the SKU. The SKU can be dragged all the way down. Now you, from row number 23, you have requested part from some other vendor, correct? So let's go back and check which is that vendor. Pitstop Master May. The first 22 rows was coming from the supplier. Supplier vendor means the same thing, from Grand Auto Spares, and after that it is Om Shri Enterprises. So let's go to Easy Ecom again, and in the masters vendor master, just search for Om Shri Enterprises. So this is already added as a vendor. We will just cut, copy the token number, go to the sheet, go to vendor mapping, and just paste this and drag this. Now again, the last number, if you remember, was 56 of the token number, but it has changed. So please enter Control D, do this activity so that the number is the same in each row. Otherwise the number will be dragged as in series, and that will be a huge mistake. So this completes our step of creating the subsheet of vendor mapping. So thank you everybody.